2018 BMW M5 with M Performance parts. Stock is a dirty word at Sema, even if you're the recently unmasked, 600 horsepower, 2018 BMW M5. So BMW Group Designworks prepared the M5 for Las Vegas with the help of BMW Individual and a slew of all new M Performance parts that will go on sale next year, either as factory options at launch in the spring or aftermarket components later in the year. The all-carbon aero kit includes the ambiguous front attachment and side sill attachments, 2 options in rear spoiler, and rear diffuser. M logos adorn bits like new kidney grills and carbon fiber mirror caps, while red springs on the M Performance coilover suspension and the titanium muffler with carbon tailpipes need no help grabbing attention. Carbon ceramic brakes join the options list, but special, motorsport-derived pads won't be coming to the U.S.Interior. Tidbits run from an M Performance steering wheel to floor mats and a key wallet.